Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Latana, the Lady Print Boss, and today I'm doing a product review over the Movo mic. I purchased the Movo mic to use it as on my mobile phone, with my mobile phone, kind of to set up a blogging type situation. And my hopes is that I'll be able to use it you know, to do my videos and to increase the camera, not the camera quality, but the audio quality. Right now, I'm shooting this video on the Note 10 Plus, and I'm using the rear-facing camera on this, if that makes a difference. So, this says that it's compatible with phones, tablets, laptops, and cameras. I've seen a lot of reviews on it, and all of the reviews on it were pretty good. So I decided to, you know, take the plunge and get it. So let me show it to you guys. This is the camera that comes with it. I'm sorry, not the camera, but the audio, the mic. So this is the mic, and it has two ends. It actually comes with two pieces. I don't know. This is probably for the smartphone. I mean, not for your smartphone, for your camera or for your laptop. I plugged it in and I just got a bunch of static, so I knew it was wrong. Then I grabbed this one, and because I'm 50 years old and suffering from presbyopia, if you don't have it, you will when you get older. I could barely read what it said, but one end says for microphone and this end says smartphone. So I knew to plug this into the microphone and this other end into the phone. So right now it's not plugged into the phone. I'm going to plug it into in a second. It has this little thing to hold it on top of your tripod, but I have the selfie stick tripod that's about 3-4 inches, well, let's see, no, not 3-4 inches. It goes, I think, about 24 inches, 3.5, yeah, about 24 inches, maybe 3.5 feet, maybe it goes that far. But so this is it. I want to use it for the phone. On the Note 10 Plus, it does not have the audio jack with it. So it says on this website when you purchase it that you have to purchase this additional piece. So I purchased this, and this is not from Movo. This is just another jack thing. I don't even know what you call it, extender. So here you can see that you plug it into there, and then I guess if I want to like charge my phone or something, I don't know, I could plug my charger in and hopefully still get juice, because it has these two pieces. I'm not really sure. So this part goes into the phone. I'll show you before I hook it up, show you what else it comes with. So it comes with this little cute pouch, and inside of the pouch it has this thing. This goes over the microphone, so it goes over the mic like this. Now, I don't know if you push it all the way up or if you pull it back, like out like this. I'm not sure, because I haven't seen anybody say what to do about it in the videos that I've seen. So I'm not sure about that part, but I know that I'm not supposed to use it inside. I think that's correct. If I'm wrong, somebody tell me. But I think this is supposed to reduce wind. I don't know if this will help me with like background noise in here, because my office is like literally like right here on the street, y'all. Literally like what, maybe 12 feet from the street at the most, okay? Literally. And then on this side I'm at a street, so I'm on a corner and it's street, and so you don't hear anything but street noise. So got those two. I'm gonna go ahead, plug this thing up so that the video doesn't get too long, because y'all know I can just yap and yap. So let me plug it up. I'm actually plugging it in to the phone, so it's plugged up now, and I sit it up here on top of the phone. I gotta kind of rig it a little bit. I'll tell you when it's when it's stable. I've done this 100 times, and then now when I get ready to do a video, it doesn't want to do. Okay, so let me move this. Almost there, guys. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so that's the microphone. It's plugged in to the Note 10 Plus. I am about 30 inches from the microphone. Tell me what you guys think, because when I plugged it in, I didn't hear anything but a bunch of noise. I can hear myself, but I could hear like this type sound behind it. So I'm very disappointed right now. I don't know, you know, is the thing broken? Is it just because of the phone? It's plugged into the phone. Is it something that I need to do? Something I need to adjust? There's nothing to adjust on the microphone, so I don't know, you know, is there, like, I have the audio on my phone at about 70% right now. So that's where the audio is. I'm going to unplug it and let you guys hear the phone. Okay. So it's unplugged. It's hot in here. It's unplugged and you can hear the phone again, so that you could tell the difference. Now, one last thing. I thought maybe it was this, right? So I wanted to make sure that it wasn't the adapter. So I plugged this into Ken's phone. Ken has the Samsung Note 10 5G. So I plugged this into Ken's phone and straight into his thing, because he still has, you know, the Note 10, I'm sorry, the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G still has the audio jack. I plugged it into his, and I still got that same gurgling noise sound in the back. So I know that all of y'all are always griping on the channel about the audio and whatnot. I tried. Maybe somebody can give me some tips and tell me what to do. I don't know if Amazon's going to even take this thing back, but I'm going to try to send it back and see if I get something, if they send what they say. I don't know, because I looked at it and I don't see anything. I don't know. So if you know, please tell me. I don't know. Also, the audio on the camera phone, the picture quality seems pretty good, just from the phone, and the audio from the Note 10 Plus itself sounds pretty good. I don't know if when I get outside into, you know, a windy situation, which I'm not going to be doing that. So you guys tell me what you think. Okay. All right, let me know what's going on with you in the comments. Tell me what you think. And I've got something really, really cool to show you guys tomorrow that just came today. Is this. And if you tune in tomorrow, I will show you what I got in that box. All righty, y'all have a good one. It's Latana. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alrighty, bye-bye.